Hey guys, Kelly here, and today we're going to get real deep with buyer lead generation and how to convert not only buyer leads, but the right buyer leads and get yourself to 3 to 5 closings a month. Now, before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, take advantage of my videos below, and be updated every time I put these videos together. Guys, I'm a real estate agent just like you. I'm building my team. I've got multiple businesses, but I do these specifically to share this wisdom with you guys. All right, let's get started. What today's video is not a promo for banner season. A lot of you have seen, I put out a lot of videos lately about banner season. Why? Because it's become my favorite marketing tool. Once I show you what you can do with this in generating buyer leads and then what to do to convert them into closings, you're going to absolutely be astounded. So let's get into this thing right now and talk about how to generate buyer leads. Now, let me just make a disclaimer. I do a lot of lead generation even outside of banner season. And I have found that when you're looking to get a buyer lead, it's better to find buyers that are the buyers that are going to be in market to purchase. When you do ads, for instance, on Facebook for a buyer, you're sending that ad out to everybody. People that have bad credit, good credit, 16-year-olds, 80-year-olds, people already living in a home they're not looking to buy. So what you're trying to do with Facebook is throw a wide net, capture everybody, and then weed through to find that one buyer. What if I told you you can go into your zip code and find every buyer with a 700 credit score, with an income of $50K or higher a year, with a net worth of $25K that have been renting for at least 3 years? Would that buyer's list be absolutely important to you and your marketing? If you said yes, you're a winner. So what I'm going to do is very quickly going to show you how I'm going to get that list and then what to do with that list. So I'm going to build a mailing list right now in my zip code. I'm going to go for individuals. I'm going to go for my zip code. I think there's like 25,000 plus people in the zip code. This is everybody, guys, everybody in that zip code. But I want to go ahead and let's go ahead and get rid of everybody but renters and watch what happens. Now it's down to 3,200. I want these guys living for at least 3+ years. I need their income to be at least $50K a year. Watch what happens, 733. I've narrowed it from 25,000 to 733. Here's where we're going to get real tight. I'm going to go ahead and get everybody with a 700 plus credit score. And I want a net worth of at least 25K in the bank. Now watch what happens, 161. There is the perfect buyer right there. If I could find this list of 161 in any zip code, you have got the list to start marketing to. Now if I want to buy that 161, it's going to cost me 16 bucks. I can download that list, and from that list, I can take and start sending direct mail. But once I own that list, it goes into banner season as a custom audience. Now, what happens once you have those 161 people? You're going to come in here. Let's go to Save Projects. Now, let's create one. I want to show you how to make one. You're going to come in here, and you're going to create a card that you can send to every one of these people with the push of a button automatically. So I'm going to drop down to the 4x6, and I like to start with the 4x6 because, guys, well, you're going to see in a minute, it's very inexpensive. So we're going to start from scratch, and I'm going to start my design, and we'll call this I got to call it something. So we'll call it buy one. Okay? And by the way, you can actually get into banner season and set a drip campaign of cards going out to any buyers, any sellers you have. It's really good. Let's see what my uploads are. Okay? I uploaded this card. So guys, another pro tip, go to Canva if you don't have canva.com. You can sign up for their pro account and get 30 days free. I believe that's still available. I created this card with Canva. Okay? And look what it says. Stop renting. Let me help you. So this is a postcard. This is what it's going to look like, the front of it. And so you're going to have people that are in their apartments, been there for 3 years. They're going to see this and say, God, I'm going to fire my, let me see what this realtor has to say. He's saying, fire, I'm tired of my landlord. Then you're going to go here to the back and you're going to work your magic here. Okay? You're going to put an empty text. I'm going to go ahead and go to 12, and I'm going to change the font to something that looks like handwriting. So I'm going to go to Architect's Daughter. And basically what you can say, whatever your offer is, are you aware of some of the awesome programs buyers are using to get into their dream home? Like 0 down loans. Contact Kelly at 407-832-6604 to see how you can fire your landlord and move into your dream home in 30 days. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bring this up here. And there's the card. Okay, so let's go ahead and preview it. Stop renting, let me help you find. Guys, see how easy this is? I mean, literally, this is so easy. There's the card. And guys, you can set these buyers to get one of these cards every 5 to 7 days with a different offer. Now I'm going to add this card to my cart. This is where the magic happens. So guys, what I've done is I've taken you from, there's the card, how to get the right buyer leads, and you can actually import any buyer leads that you currently have in your CRM into banner season and start doing this. So let's go ahead and select a recipient. In this case, what I would do is select that entire mailing list I purchased, but to show you how easy this is, I'm just going to send this card to, hold on a second. Sorry guys, didn't mean to do that. Let me go back one. Let's go ahead and search for me. I'm going to add me as the contact. Boom. And now I'm going to go to checkout. Guys, look how much 37 cents. That includes postage and postcard. And literally, if I place that order, it's going to charge me. So let's go back to the 161 times 0.37. It's going to charge me $59. And banner season within 24 hours will have produced this card in full color and sent them to your list that you just purchased. Now guys, what I would be doing is I would be sending that list for $50 a card every 7 to 10 days with a new offer. The next one could be find out how to buy your next home and get your closing costs paid. Buyers are saving tens of thousands of dollars with these exciting programs. If you're ready to fire your landlord and move into your dream home, contact Kelly to get more information about these programs. Look forward to hearing from you. Check out this website for a list of all new construction homes. These are homes in your area. It gives you all of the incentives and all of the deals builders are giving. Work with me and we will get you in your dream home in the next 30 to 90 days. Just whatever. I mean, start offering things. So anyway, I wanted to do this quick video. It's a little longer than I wanted, but I wanted to show you the power of this. Now, below the video, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to banner season. If you don't have it, it's well worth getting. The gold package gets you access to everything, including the mailing list. And guys, what I just did for you, and I'm going to do another video in a minute, so check it out, on how to find sellers in banner season and send them offers. So there it is. The link will be below. If you sign up with the gold package, they waive the $300 setup, and it's just $49 a month to month, no contract. But guys, banner season will fast become your #1 marketing tool. All right, again, this is Kelly. Drop me some comments below. Let me hear what you have to say, and I'll leave it at that. Have a fantastic day, and go get you some closings.